How to change Amazon Prime password. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great. So let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your web browser, tap on the search bar, and search for Amazon Prime sign in. Now open up the first website. Now click on sign in. Now enter your email or phone number. Now click on continue. Now on this page, you can see an option for forgot password. Click on it. Now click on continue. Now go back to home screen and open up Gmail application. Now copy the OTP, go back to web browser and paste the OTP. Now click on continue. Now enter your new password. Similarly, re-enter your password and click on save changes. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question or search the topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.